everybody, I'm Mark, and today on Make Your Mark we are making some beautiful faux geodes using my Surebonder hot glue gun and crushed aquarium glass. Now before I forget, thumbs up if you like this video and leave me a comment if you have a question about this project or you just want to say hello. And you know how much I love it when you stop by and say hello. Are you ready? Let's make some faux geodes. The Surebonder Professional High Temp Glue Gun is perfect for this project because you need lots of glue. Make sure to use a generous amount of glue. The thicker the glue, the more rock-like your geode will be. If you can't find crushed glass, consider crushing your own and coloring it with alcohol inks. Adding a little bit of glitter around the edges will really make these sparkle. The rarest and most valuable geodes contain amethyst crystals and black calcite. The world's largest known geode is 35 feet in diameter at its widest point, and it's located in Ohio. You can find crushed aquarium glass or crushed decorative glass pretty much anywhere. I got mine at the dollar store, but I'm gonna leave a link below in the description so that you can find it. Also, make sure to check out surebonder.com. Thumbs up if you like this video, leave me a comment and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Don't forget to press that notification bell so you know I have a new video. Grab any one of my craft books. I have 11, not just these 5 up here. I'm gonna leave a link below to those as well, and I will see you next week. Bye.